traders, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. So today we are going to talk about how market is going to be reacting on the day of expiry after the budget, and also about the recent profits that we made today, the 18K. So if you want to make such similar profits, please visit our website www.rltrgroup.com, subscribe us, join our live trading community, and start making such profits immediately. And for the ones who want to see as to how this was done, it was done in a simple trade where we entered here on the 10:17 mark and we exited at 10:32. Within 15 minutes we've made this position, but the highest profit maker for today was my participant. So we concentrate on exiting our participants position first before we do ours. So that's the reason why there is a variance between this. So we put our participants before everything else. So without further ado, let's quickly go ahead and see what exactly happened. So we traded a breakout over here on this particular trend line that we actually drew, and we understood that the market is going to stay a bit volatile. Now, after our particular trade, of course, when the market broke out over here at somewhere around 292, it went to somewhere around 373 as well, but we booked some decent amount of profits and then it went up. But the most exciting part about this thing is that if you see, the Bank Nifty is still on a trending range. Now, this is something that I want you to keep in mind, that we are taking a support on a trend line and we are just following the path. So until this important trend line is being broken, guys, until this particular trend line is broken, please don't go for a PE. All right. So that's the most important thing that you need to keep in mind tomorrow. There might be a consolidation phase. There might be, a phase where, there is a volatility. But before you enter a P, please ensure that there is a pure trend line break before you initiate your trade. Now, for tomorrow, when I look at the daily perspective, I see, there is a bit of a strength in Bank Nifty still left. So I'm thinking that for the expiry of February, that we will touch 36,000. For Bank Nifty and 15,000 for Nifty pretty soon. When it is going to happen, I don't know. But for now, as far as I could see, the buying momentum is still alive until there is a red, halt candle that might be formed tomorrow. I think we will still be on the bullish front. Okay, so I expect a sideways market tomorrow where a lot of option premiums are going to be eaten. We are going to play very safe tomorrow, and then we are going to understand as to what is happening. So for now, I would want to tell you my levels are, again, tomorrow, if it takes out its high, I'm going to have a 100 to 200 point quick move. And if it takes out this particular trend line that I'm interested with, then we are still going to have somewhere around 100 to 200 point move. So in this range, please be very careful. Okay, do not deploy much of your capital. Follow your risk management and money management policies that you've learned from everywhere. And if you just don't want to waste your time on doing that, you can just come to our live trading forum and just copy my trades and make the money and stay happy. So thank you so much for your time. I wish you have a wonderful day with your loved ones. We'll see you tomorrow in another beautiful video, and take care. Jai Hind. Bye bye.